Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is all about some new hair that I did receive from Eayon Hair. I have worked with them plenty of other times before, and I do love their quality and I do love their wigs. When you get your wig, it will come in a nicely printed box that says the name of the company. I love when the boxes say the name of the company. It just helps me stay really organized. You're also going to get some freebies like a wig cap. You're going to get a elastic band that you can sew in, and of course you're going to get your wig. So the wig that I have is a 12-inch bob. It is in a body wave and it is a lace frontal. This wig fit my head perfectly. I did get size medium, so the medium was perfect for me. I did bleach the knots. I used BW2 powder and 20 volume developer. So to lay my wig down, I used the yellow Got to Be Glued, and then I also just used the freeze spray on top of that. Then I just went ahead and placed the wig on my hairline and went ahead and just used the end of my baby tress baby hair edge brush, and I just used the edges of it to just lay the lace down. I tried my best not to get the baby hairs caught up when I was laying down the lace, because I didn't want a lot of baby hairs on this style. I just wanted it to look pretty sleek and you know, flawless without a whole lot of baby hairs. Now I didn't pluck this frontal at all. You could do a little bit of plucking. I felt like on the sides was the area that I would have done a little bit more plucking, but it wasn't really that necessary, so I didn't, you know, get too caught up in that. Now when I was laying my hairline down, I always use the edge of the edge brush, the end of the edge brush, but I also use my fingers to keep pressure on the opposite side so that the opposite side doesn't like flop up while I'm working on the other side. When I finished laying the frontal down, I did use my Glee Made baby hair lace front wig scarf just to let it dry and set in place, because I knew I did want to style this wig, so it was just better to let that initial part dry before I started styling the wig. So I went ahead and just used the Got to Be Glued in the black container for styling, and I just gelled the edges of my lace front back. So I just placed gel, just gelling it back to hold, you know, the hair away from my face. And then I just did lightly a little bit of baby hairs, not a whole lot. And I just used my baby tress baby hair edge brush for that as well. I love this baby tress edge brush because you can use it for every aspect of styling your lace front, from helping you to lay it down, to helping you slick back your edges, to helping you even part out. Like I used it to part this C-shaped part, so I literally didn't need any other tools, but the only tools I needed was the wig, my baby tress edge brush, my gel, and my Glee Made baby hair scarf, and those are the only things that I needed to do my baby hairs and to lay down this hairline, which I thought was really good. I also just used a little bit of powder to blend in the hairline and to cover up that wig cap that you could sort of see the line underneath. So then I just used my Glee Made scarf again to hold down my edges. I wanted to let it dry, so I just, you know, used that. And then I also used my baby hair. I also used my Glee Made hair bonnet. I used that because I just wanted the hair away from my face so I could go do other things while this dried. So you could sleep in this bonnet, or you could just use it to kind of hold your hair back while you're doing other things in the house. I had to go like wash dishes and do some other things, and I just wanted the hair away from my face. But you could use the bonnet as a sleep cap, or, you know, just to hold the hair away from your face while you're doing whatever you're doing throughout the day. So it's a great thing to have. I'll leave links down below where you can grab this Glee Made baby hair scarf as well as the silk bonnet. Then I just went ahead and grabbed some scissors and sheared out the cut a little bit because I really wanted it to have more of a blunt look. And I love the way this haircut came out, you guys. It's just made the hair look so nice and full and frame my face well. Now, like I said, this hair is body wave. I thought this hair looked more like water wave to me, but it is body wave. I love the way this hair came out. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you have questions, leave them in the comments section down below. I'll leave a link to where you can grab this hair and a coupon code for you guys. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.